How to get dark mode on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get dark mode on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get dark mode on Snapchat, all you have to do is simply, first of all, go ahead and then make sure to launch a Snapchat application here. Once you launch a Snapchat application, you're gonna see this type of interface where you just have to tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and then over here you'll find Snapchat Plus. So you need to make sure that you have Snapchat Plus to turn on dark mode on Android. If you're on iOS, it's very simple, but for Android users you have to turn on dark mode toggle here, and it will get successfully switched to dark mode. Otherwise, what you can do is, let's say I just turn this thing off. If you're lucky, sometimes you might definitely find the option from the top right over here, and then just scroll down to app appearance and you'll find always dark option. You can simply choose this to always dark. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and basically get dark mode on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.